we have Entrada. Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back. It's been a pretty slow year for me when it comes to copping sneakers. So I was like, yeah, let me just show you the sneakers that I bought. Well, not sneakers, just the one pair. And it released today. I don't know when this video is going up, but I copped it the day it dropped. Y'all know I live for Yeezy. I know a lot of the sneakerheads and stuff like that, or the sneaker community, be like, oh, 350, another 350. Listen, it is what it is, damn it. So I got another pair of Yeezys. This is a very familiar box. This was the first time in a long time that I ended up winning a raffle. I haven't won a raffle in I feel like years, bro. So I guess Yeezy is trying to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. So I ended up getting the Ash Pearl 350s. Okay. let me look at it, because from some of the pictures that I saw and some of the like early sneak peek videos that I saw, I wasn't too sure about it. But this has a lot going on. It's kind of this like blue, almost lavendery, periwinkle type of threading that they're using. See, that's what you can't see in videos and pictures. You can't really see the full detail of the sneakers. But I honestly got it for the upper. Like, these two colors is what I was really after. I know there have been Yeezys in this earth tone color, but I don't know, they just don't be hitting right all the time. The reason why I picked these up, because this is kind of the closest neutral that I was willing to purchase. Like, I know Yeezy has had a ton of neutral adjacent colors. They've had clays, which were a little too clayey for me. They had the sand taupes, but I think the upper on that had a little bit too much orange for my taste, and I love me some orange. I think the synths also had a little bit of that pinkish hue to it. And then there's one more, the naturals. I really wanted the naturals, but the sole of it was just way too yellow. And granted, I know a Yeezy sole will kind of yellow depending on the model, but like, I don't know, it threw it off for me. So I wish Yeezy would actually come out with a whole sneaker with one of these two colors, because those two colors, that's the color I'm after. And Earth too. Earth, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about Earth, because I feel like it's a little too dark for the way I want to style it. But these two colors right here. So I know Yeezy has the materials to make a full 350 version with these colors. So that's what I really want. But overall, I mean, it's a decent shoe. It's a 350. It's definitely different than most of my Yeezy collection. Well, maybe not so much different. It's a lot going on with this. It's a lot going on. That's what I'll say. But I personally do gravitate towards more of a solid Yeezy color. But when they do have their little quirks and pops of color, depending on the colorway, I will, you know, try to get that and lock that down. This does have the regular laces. I know they were doing some infinity laces or something like that, but the problem with that is that if you wanted to swap them out, you had to cut the laces, which is kind of stupid. So I'm guessing that they're back to this particular lacing now. But like, even the insole is the color of what I want. Just in case you're curious about my size, I am at 8.5 in men, but in women's shoes, I am at 9.5. So I go by men's sizing, obviously, because it's easy. We're still missing a pull tab, guys. I haven't had nails in over a year now, but I'm still gonna want a pull tab at some point. Obviously I can't make this, but can I get the pull tab back? Something a little bit more neutral to fit in my little collection of Yeezys. I think this will go just fine. I'll probably figure out how I'm gonna really style it, because honestly there's a lot going on. It is a lot going on when you look up close to it, but it's not something that you can't work around. So I think I'll be all right with this. Pretty good. If you want to see some of my old sneaker pickups or even my collection, I'll link that video at the end, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.